Hare Krishna. So the third verse of the first chapter. Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Duryodhan, after seeing the entire military phalanx, he went to Dronacharya and he said, "O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada." Duryodhan, as we know, is an expert politician. He, rather than going to the commander-in-chief of the Kaurava army, which is Bhishma, he goes to Drona. And what is he saying? That see the wonderful arrangement of military formation made by whom? Vyudham Drupada Putrena. So why is he referring to Drupada Putra? Why is he referring with this specific word of Drupada? It could be just named Drishtadyumna. The answer is, the Acharyas say that Duryodhan wanted to bring out the enmity that Dronacharya had between him and Drupada. Long ago, when Drona and Drupada were children, they studied in the same Gurukul. And Drupada being the king or the prince at that time, and Drona being a simple Brahmana, in their small times, Drupada had promised, "My dear Drona, we are friends, and if you happen to have any problem in life hence ahead, please do come and approach me." Drona and Drupad both grew up to be big mature people. Drupad got the kingdom, Drona remained poor. So one day Drona thought, let me approach my friend, let me see what he can help. When Drona approached Drupad, Drupad was in one sense infuriated. He said, "Drona, you take those words which were made in small childlike times seriously? Friendship can only be amongst equals. What is this? I am a king and you are a poor Brahmana. How can there be friendship between you and me? Please get out." In this way, Drupad insulted Drona. Drona, although he did not take the heed so much, but later, as we know, that Drona became the chief teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas. And as Guru Dakshina, Drona asked Arjuna to bring Drupada captured. Arjuna went and he captured, defeating Drupad's army. He brought Drupad as a slave. So when Drupad came in shackled chains in front of Drona, Drona had him released and said, "My dear Drupad, at least now you have been defeated by my disciple. So now, although you are here shackled in chains, I still remember our old friendship. Now at least I want to revive it. Can you consider ourselves to be still friends? We are equals." Drupad, although insulted here, he could not forget this insult. Drupad, he performed a specific yajna with which he got a son who would be the death of Dronacharya. And this son was Drishtadyumna. And it was this Drishtadyumna who had arranged the Pandavas' military phalanx. Duryodhan, he was trying to get the enmity between Drupad and Dronacharya back in forefront, in front of Drona. We see another beautiful thing is that in order to gain military knowledge, Drishtadyumna, who's supposed to be the slayer of Drona, he approached Dronacharya only. And Drona, being a perfect Brahmana the way he is, he even taught everything to Drishtadyumna. Although he knew that this boy is going to be my nemesis, my end. So Duryodhan, he wants to bring out this facet that don't think that he is your disciple, he is actually born to kill you, which means unless, my dear sir, you fight vigorously, we are all going to be slain. Thank you.